guys, Jake Sanders from the Beefy Bill YouTube channel here. Today we're hanging out with some Subarus. We're with Brian and some of his friends, Aaron and Jess. We're headed up to Rigs and Caffeine up in Hickory, and then after that we're going to go do some trails. I don't think we're doing anything crazy today, but we'll see what we get into. Maybe there's something on the side of the trail that we can see if the CRV will make it over it or something. But I'll catch up with you guys once we get to Rigs and Caffeine. I might throw a few roller shots in of the Subarus that I'm hanging out with. But yeah, we'll catch you in a minute. Appreciate it. It's a lot of fun beating on it. Good.
Are you coming this way?
Yep.
Got it. There we go, driver.
Yeah, I just got stuck on the wheel well.
Continue the line moving on. Working with back in.
Hear that locker kicking in. Really, fuck it.
Can't pack it over too soon. You might have to squeeze that. Back it up. Take it, driver. Come on, driver.
Cut it left and you'll be good. Yeah.
Just take it slow.
It feels tippy, but it's alright.
Stay right there and then
Rear end like doesn't open dick.
Front pedal.
More throttle.
Dude, this thing is like no issue.
Yeah. I'm telling you, that 8-track makes a world of difference.
Alright, slowly come forward. Yeah.
With ease.
Now he's picking a line I would never go on.
this is the end of our trip to Old House Gap. These guys are from Spartan Overland. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. They might have a video going up for this trip, hopefully. This thing was really surprising. It handled everything really well. The Tacoma, of course, did it with no problems. I've never really gotten to go off-roading with anybody with a Subaru, so this has been a first for me. This thing has a locker, so it hasn't had a single problem at all today.
Easy button, man.
Yeah. This thing's like really overly capable for what I was expecting out of it, honestly. I've never really like gone out with Foresters and Subarus and stuff, so I don't really know their like limits. So we're all gonna go ahead and air up and then head on back out to Charlotte, Winston, wherever we're all from. Well, we made it home. I had an interesting drive home from the mountains. My U-joint, the front U-joint on my drive shaft is now kind of sloppy and making a pretty good amount of noise when accelerating. So I'm gonna have to pull that out tonight, maybe tomorrow, drive it around front wheel drive for the week. I have a Land Rover drive shaft with a viscous coupler that I'm gonna be installing on it, I guess within the next week or two now. I gotta order the adapters for it and then it'll be ready to go in. But overall, good day. Home now, I'm gonna take the dogs for a walk and I'll start working on this thing tomorrow. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys wanna like, comment, share, and subscribe, see you in the next one. Take care, have a good night.